Imagine you're faced with a tricky problem at work. You try to track down the usernames of devices that have connected to your 802.1x network, but some devices are missing key identifiers. You need a way to extract just the usernames remotely without delving into password decryption. The solution lies in decrypting the MSMUserData, which can provide valuable information without compromising security. By searching for specific network profiles in the Windows registry and then extracting the necessary data, you can uncover the usernames associated with authenticated devices. This extraction process does not involve accessing or revealing any passwords, ensuring data security. To start, a script is used to search through the saved network profiles and identify the GUIDs associated with the target SSID. By filtering and matching the SSID, you can pinpoint the relevant profiles that contain the information you need. This step ensures that you're focusing on the correct network connections and streamlining the extraction process efficiently. Next, the script delves into the user profiles in the Windows registry, extracting the MSMUserData for each relevant GUID. By leveraging PowerShell commands and registry entries, the script navigates through the user data to access the required information. This systematic approach ensures that you're accessing the data in a structured and controlled manner, maintaining data integrity throughout the extraction process. Finally, the extracted MSMUserData is decrypted to reveal the usernames associated with the authenticated devices. By converting the encrypted data into readable ASCII characters, you can extract the usernames without compromising any sensitive information. This final step completes the process of retrieving the necessary usernames, providing valuable insights into the devices connected to your network. In summary, by following a systematic approach to extract and decrypt the MSMUserData, you can uncover the usernames of devices connected to your 802.1x network remotely. This solution offers a practical and secure method for identifying device owners or users without compromising sensitive data. So, next time you're troubleshooting network connections, remember to leverage these techniques to streamline your investigation. And as always, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below.